Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by preparing the hardware so the reset works reliably. Power off the headset and remove it from the base. Once done, unplug the base station's USB and power cables and wait 10 seconds. This clears transient states. Make sure the headset battery is above half, because low power can interrupt firmware actions. Finally, locate the recessed reset button on the base station and have a small tool ready so you can perform the next physical reset step smoothly. Now perform the coordinated resets to restore factory settings. Press and hold the base station reset for 10 seconds until the LED begins flashing rapidly. This clears pairing info. Meanwhile, press and hold the headset power and mute buttons together for about 15 seconds to force a factory reboot. You'll feel the headset restart. Next, reconnect the base station USB while still holding its reset for an extra 5 seconds so the devices can negotiate fresh pairing data. These steps reset firmware-level pairings and audio profiles. Finish by repairing and validating operation. Power on the headset and place it on the dock within 30 seconds. Automatic pairing should occur as the base and headset rebuild their link. After pairing, check for firmware updates using the Astro Command Center on your PC to ensure stability and bug fixes. Make an audio test and adjust mix levels. If you still have problems, try the 3.5 cable to determine whether the issue is wireless or hardware-related. Then address accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.